Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, green color, red color, black color and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and here is blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and here is yellow color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. It's neither G. G for goat, G for grapes, and here is green color. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and here is red color. Red color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, neither M. M for moon, M for mango, and here is black color. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, again use black color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids, neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin, and here is blue color. The alphabets of P. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, again use blue color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, neither S. S for sun, S for snake, and here is yellow color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and here is green color. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Kids, neither Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and here is red color. Sorry kids, mistake. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.